Hello drone friends, this is Alan at UAV Coach and Drone Pilot Ground School. Welcome to our Drone Weekly News Roundup. Alright, this week we're going to cover a fascinating story, the first life that was saved from a heart attack when a defibrillator was delivered by drone. Then we'll talk about the winners of the 2021 Skypixel Creative Video Contest. And finally, a woman in China rented 520 drones for her dog's birthday. It didn't go over so well. You also won't believe how much she spent on this. Let's jump in. In a Drones for Good moment out of Sweden, a drone recently saved a man's life by delivering an automated external defibrillator, or AED, to him after he had a heart attack. The company that did this is called Everdrone, and their autonomous drone brought the AED to the 71-year-old man in just 3 minutes. This man had collapsed in his driveway. Just so happens a doctor was driving by on his way to the hospital. The doctor pulled over and called emergency services and began performing CPR. Once the defibrillator arrived by drone, the doctor used it to deliver life-saving services to the man before emergency responders arrived. This is an incredible example of how drones can save lives, and the 3-minute delivery time is truly life-saving. Of course, in this case, the doctor happened to be trained and how to use an AED, but the point here is that the speed is one of the real advantages when it comes to using drones. It's true for delivering an AED machine or a transplant organ. It's also true for many types of search and rescue missions. Anyway, hashtag drones for good. Next up, Skypixel's annual contest has become a mainstay of the drone industry. Every year, and we're 7 years in now, we see some of the best aerial photography and videography from around the world. They are open for submissions in 2022, so if you've been itching to share your aerial art, this could be a good opportunity. We're going to link to the submission form below. Additionally, Skypixel has another contest that it runs with DJI called the Creative Video Contest. The winners were announced a couple of weeks ago. The videos are stunning. This contest requires entrants to use one of DJI's camera models for at least 50% of their video submission. We'll link to all the winning videos from the contest below. While we're on the subject of contests, I think you still have a week or so until January 20th to enter the Air Awards contest as well. We'll link to that. So if you're feeling creatively inspired or already have some amazing footage to share, now is the time to make your submissions. Okay, lastly, a woman in China dropped almost $16,000 on drones to celebrate her dog's birthday with an over-the-top aerial display. The 520 drones that were rented formed the message, "Happy 10th birthday to Dudu," the dog's name. The birthday celebration did not go over too well with authorities. The drones violated the area's no-fly zone and were actually shot down. And if you're wondering why there were 520 drones, well, the number was chosen on purpose because in Mandarin, the pronunciation sounds similar to the phrase, "I love you." This is truly a one-of-a-kind story. We definitely do not recommend trying this at home. All right, folks, that's all we have for this week. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on the latest drone news. And remember to check out the links below to read or to watch more. Thank you for watching. And to all of you drone pilots out there, blue skies and safe flying. We'll see you next week.